In modern living, we've traded natural energy for the clamor of machines. In a world of constant motion, what does it really mean to recharge? Light, voltage, PEMF, frequencies. When life drains you, these four energies help you recharge cell by cell. Like sunlight to a plant, light signals your cells to grow, repair, and thrive.
I've tried everything for recovery. Ice, red light, cryo, but nothing gets me back to 100%.
I didn't realize how disconnected I was from my health and my true self. Then I found the BioCharger
It's how I begin my day.
and how I slow it down.
Modern life drains you. The BioCharger restores you.